In this video, you'll learn how to create custom pages directly in Beehiiv. Let's get straight into it. First, log into your Beehiiv account and go to Design in Website Builder and click on Homepage in the top of your screen. Once you click on it, you'll now see a drop-down menu, and from this menu, you can click on Custom Pages. Now you'll see an overview of your publication's custom pages and be able to create a page from scratch. To create a new page, click on Internal Page in the top right corner of your screen, and from here you can now create a custom page and customize the details for the page. The process is similar to creating a regular post in Beehiiv. You'll have the option to add a title, customize the slug or page URL, add a thumbnail, and add content to your post or page using the editor. On this page, you'll also see an option to add this page to your website. You can do one of three things. You can save this page as a draft, which will not publish it, but will allow you to view and edit it later. You can add it to your website navigation bar by selecting a menu group. Lastly, you can add it to your website as a standalone page, which will not add it to your website's navigation bar, but will allow you to share the web page on social media or anywhere else you'd like. This is helpful if you want to create an about page, a landing page for a lead magnet, or something similar. Right underneath this, you'll see an option to add an SEO title and description, which will be used in search engines and social media. You'll also have the option to limit this page to premium subscribers only if you'd like. This can be useful if you're sharing exclusive content on a page and don't want free subscribers to see it. Lastly, you'll see an option to prevent search engines from indexing this page, which will prevent this page from showing up in search engines like Google. Once you finish creating your page using the editor, click on Create Page in the top right corner of your screen, and you'll be redirected back to the Custom Pages overview. From here, you'll see your newly created page, and if you click on the three dots next to it, you'll be able to view the page, remove it from your website, edit it, or delete it. That's about it for this video. If you enjoyed it, you might like the other videos in our design playlist on our YouTube channel.